Welcome back. So we still had the problem where we spammed the button and then we kind of got a lot of requests. We want to say, if you keep clicking the button, I want you to, if there's delay, I want you to just ignore the last request and wait again, right? So we resend the service right now. That's what we're going to do for this lesson. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, when we call this service, we want to remember that the service was called. So we're going to save the subscription, right? So we're going to say this dot request equals, and now this request is going to just be a subscription like this. So we're just saving the request, right, that we're going to send. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say, if there is a request already sent, right? If I'm trying to if I'm trying to log in, but there's already a request existing, then I want you to cancel that request. And you do that by unsubscribing to the request, like this. So now I'm unsubscribing, I'm canceling the request. I don't want to send the request anyway. I just decided not to. Okay, so let's see what this actually helps me do now. Let's try and go to the actual view again here and try to go into the sign in and try to do lbuilder, 1, 2, 3, sign in, sign in, sign in, sign in. Look, as long as I keep signing in, I don't get signed in because the 5 seconds haven't passed yet and I keep unsubscribing. So I have to wait 5 seconds now, and there we go, only one login. So now we fix that problem. We're only sending one request, and every time when we keep spamming that button, it'll just unsubscribe and cancel the request for us. So we just cancel the request. That's all it took. Very, very simple way to do it. So that's it. You just change the code so that you can actually only click the button one time, or else the timeout will it'll just reset the time, right? So it won't keep sending request. It'll only do it one time for the backend at least. We'll still click the button and create multiple requests here, but they won't be we won't be waiting for them. We won't be creating them on the backend. We'll cancel them, right? I hope that makes sense. Let's in the next lesson, let's do it so that at least when we do send a request, we should just hide the screen. So when I click here, I won't be able to press the sign in button anymore. So let's do that for the next lesson. See you next time.